grandkids. We're gonna sit there and do one for even the youngest at Christmas time. They can too make cookies for Santa the real super easy way. And yeah, it's really cute. Now, I went out and I bought these little chocolate chip cookie cereal, and it's really easy. You just grab a handful and get yourself some royal icing. Put the royal icing on top of 1/2 of the cookies. Grab yourself another half. Put a top on. And look at that. You just made cookies and cream. So, if you liked what you saw here today, please give me a thumbs up. All the thumbs up helps out my channel, and I greatly appreciate it. If you're not yet a subscriber, go up, hit the subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And as always, here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. So you let the little ones sit there and put out a little cookie plate of these little wonders that they help make, and let Santa have one heck of a treat. Happy